In this video, I'll show you how to do a factory reset on your HP Envi 6555e or similar model like the 6155e, and there's many other ones. As long as they have a screen on the left side, everything that I'll say in the next few seconds will apply to you as well. So let's get started. So if we go on the screen, press the menu button, then go down until you see Tools. Over here, click on Tools. Sometimes you have to click very precisely to register. Anyway, once you're in this menu, go down and select Maintenance. And then Restore Settings. You have a few options. You have Restore Network Settings and Restore All Factory Defaults. The first one is to simply reset the Wi-Fi settings. So you will disconnect from your phone or your computer that were connected to this printer, and this is about it. You'll be able to reconnect afterwards. Restore All Factory Defaults is a full reset. The printer will be as you found it in the box when you first unbox it. It will delete every settings, every personal data, everything. So depending what you want to do, go ahead, click Restore, and then press the blue Restore button. It will take less than a minute. Let the printer do its thing, and at the end, your printer will be resetted. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, but also comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.